Everything's fine. Let's go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope all of you are doing good. I hope all of you are safe. Anyway, hello, I'm back with a new video, and today's video is going to be one of my favorite videos to watch. I think you guys also like watching this video, which is my current favorites video, and I'm going to bring it back. I'm going to do it monthly now. I'm not going to name it by months. I'm going to still call it current favorites because I'm not going to do it the 30th or the 31st of every month, but I'm going to do it every month because some things keep changing, and if you can get to know about something new, let it be a show, let it be a music, let it be something to eat, let it be a makeup product or a hair product, why not? Also, if you're not following me on my socials, I'm gonna have my username here. Super active there. I keep posting stories, mini reviews, some makeup looks, some reels, a lot of stuff. You'll get to know what I do on a daily basis. So follow me on my Instagram, it's a good time. Anyway, let's get started with the video. Okay, we're gonna be starting with the favorites. That's just not only been my favorite, but I think the whole world's favorites, which are sanitizers. This is a spray sanitizer, this is the normal liquid sanitizer. Now, why did I include them in a favorites videos? Because I've been using them on a daily basis. I had to include it in the favorites video. Now, every time a parcel comes home or I order something or my parents order something, first we sanitize the whole parcel and then keep it out for 48 hours and then open it. So this has been really handy because before buying this really early in April or May, we used to use this all over the packet, completely drip it. I know, stupid, but then precaution is necessary. And so I really like the Savlon one. I've tried the other one, but I really like the Savlon one. I don't think anyone steps out now without a sanitizer. Before how your phone, your wallet, maybe a lip balm, all that stuff used to be the essentials. Now the sanitizer is also added in them, and the mask. Talking about bags, cloth bags have been a super favorite of mine. I've got two here, one second. One is this one that comes with the big basket order, and one is this one that I got with a L'Occitane order. I got it free long back. It looks like that. The past 6-7 months, a cloth bag has come so handy. Stopped using all of my handbags. They've been in for such a long time. I don't know when am I ever going to use them. I don't think I'm very comfortable getting out a handbag, because with a cloth bag, when you take it out, when you put your stuff in, you can come back and immediately wash it and sanitize it. Not sanitize it, we literally wash it. This makes me feel a little bit more safe. But when it comes to the other bags, let it be leather or let it be any other material, I just don't think spraying it with a sanitizer is enough for me. Until unless I really need to go out where I need to carry a normal bag, I always carry this bag. My next favorite is a cloth bag. I suggest you guys also to buy a cloth bag and use that as much as possible, because you can come back home and immediately wash it. Next favorite is this. No, not coffee. Coffee is like a lifetime favorite. No monthly favorite. Coffee is a lifetime favorite. But the metal straw. You guys should tell me if you're a coffee person or a chai person. I would really like to know that. This one I'm using right now, so I'm going to show you the other one. So it comes in a pack of 3 and you get different colors, silver, gold and a rainbow unicornish color. I get 2 straws. One is the bent one, which is like this. Sorry, there's a stain of my lipstick, which is like this. One is the straight one, which is a normal straight straw, and you get a cleaner with this. You can easily clean, remove all the dirt, and that's it. I have a habit of drinking coffee or iced coffee, or you tend to use straws. I suggest switch to bamboo or metal straws. I couldn't find bamboo straws, so I bought the metal ones. They're really nice. They're eco-friendly, good for the planet. Also, they look so good, so aesthetic. So that's right up my alley. So my next favorites are metal straws. Now that we are in the coffee section, I'm going to be talking about my favorite mug right now, which is this mug. Look how beautiful it is. It has a beautiful carving. I just love it. It's grey in color. This is from Chumbak. I bought 2 mugs from Chumbak. You guys know I love collecting mugs. I can keep buying mugs and it can never be enough. This is my current favorite mug right now. I have my coffee every day morning in this. Like literally every day morning I have my coffee in this. And how beautiful is it? It just looks really pretty. I'm going to link everything down below, so don't worry. If you want to buy anything, you can just click the link and buy it. But yeah, my next favorite is this mug. Now coming to makeup favorites, I have only 3 favorites in my makeup category. 2 of them are lip products. I recently bought the Flower Beauty lip liner, which is in toffee. It's such a beautiful color. All of my dusky skin girls, you're gonna love this color. It's a beautiful nude. I have lined my lips today with this color. I'm gonna swatch it and show you. That is how the lip liner looks. This is in the shade Toffee. It's a beautiful match between brown and pink. It's the perfect nude lip liner. Will look good with all lipsticks. I always apply lip liner no matter how dark or light the lipstick is, because it just makes your lips look much more fuller and much more defined. This is my absolute favorite lip liner right now. Such a beautiful color. Next lip product that has been my favorite is the Lakme 9 to 5 lipstick in the shade Caramel Cut. Another nude neutral lipstick. This is how oh my god, such a beautiful color. It's what I've applied today. It's a beautiful, beautiful pinky brownie rosy nude color. If you're anywhere near my skin tone, it's gonna look like this on you. I've been loving the combination of those two a lot recently. That's all I've been applying, and that is how the lipstick and the lip liner looks. I've applied it today. And the last makeup favorite that I have is the Wet n Wild Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water Prep Set Fresh Spray. That is how it looks. It smells like a vacation. It smells like a tropical vacation, like a beach. It smells so good. I don't use it as a primer. I use it as a setting spray. It makes your skin look so dewy. It's a really nice product, and they have other two variants in it. I think the cucumber one and the rose one. You guys know I love anything coconutty, and so I bought this, and it's been a favorite since. I really like it. You guys should try this out. Now coming to the hair category, I've been loving the Schwarzkopf Spa Essence Enriching Cream Mask. That is how the tub looks. I've shown this in a Nykaa haul. Now obviously we're not able to go out on a regular basis and get things done to our hair, and also I feel like if you buy the right products, you can actually do it at home on a regular basis and your hair will look good. I really like this mask. Comes in a really huge tub. You can buy it on discount. I got it on discount. Used it a lot and I still have so much left. It smells so good. It leaves your hair smelling like a spa, and it moisturizes and enriches your hair. So I've been really liking, doing this once in 2 weeks, once in 3 weeks. So yeah, I've been really liking this. Other thing that I've been loving for my hair just now, this is my absolute favorite hair oil with Kama Bringadi Intensive Hair Treatment Oil. This oil is what I swear by. This and coconut oil also acts as a natural conditioner. Like literally it makes your hair feel so soft. What it says here is prescribed in Ayurveda for lush hair growth, which is what we love. Prevent hair loss, dandruff and premature graying. Naturally conditioning, 100% natural. It's a 250 ml bottle. It is a little expensive, but it's worth it, you guys. I suggest buy the smaller one, try it, and if it suits your hair, you can buy the bigger bottle. That's what I did. I love this oil so much. I literally swear by it. I apply it once a week without fail. It has a very potent smell of Bringadi, but that's fine. It really works well. The Kama Ayurveda Bringadi hair treatment. Now coming to body care favorites, I have two of them. The first one is the Palmolive body wash, which is macadamia oil with peony. It looks like that. Now Palmolive has had new launches, which is so fun. I think they have a blood orange one. One is this one, which is macadamia with peony. One is a charcoal one, which I'm using right now. I don't love it. It's fine. It has a very weirdish smell. I thought it's going to be really, minty and aqua, but no. That it's fine. I bought this one and the charcoal one, and this one smells so good. Like anything that is nutty and warm, it just smells so good. It smells so calming. It won't give you a headache, trust me. I've been really liking this. And the next favorite is a mist from Bath and Body Works. This is the Bahamas Passion Fruit and Banana Flower Mist from Bath and Body Works, and that is how it looks. How stunning is the packaging. It smells like a tropical dream. It smells like coconut, vanilla, a little bit of banana. I know you must be thinking that Aishwarya bananas don't smell really good, but trust me, this is like the good banana smell. It just smells like you're on a beach. It's a beautiful day and you're thriving and you're smelling like this. Yeah, I don't know if you guys understood the smell, but I'm gonna spray it now because it's hot and I'm shooting without any AC or fan. Oh my god, it smells so good. I really like it. So yeah, this is the Bahamas Passion and Banana Flower. Those two are my body care favorites. My next favorite has been this eye mask. Now my sleep schedule has been off the charts completely, and I'm not the only one who's sleeping like crazy. It just helps me not touch my phone and just lie down and try and fall asleep. Not my favorites because I really like using it. I do not like putting anything while sleeping because I don't know, it just does not make me feel very free. But I need to do it because I'm not able to sleep. I'm just not able to sleep. I stay awake till 4, 5, minimum to 3 o'clock I'm awake. Every day I go to sleep after 3 only, which is not good because I want to get my sleep cycle proper. I've been trying to get my sleep schedule using this so that I shut my eyes and it forces me to sleep and I'm not on my phone. So that has been a favorite of mine. I only have one food favorite. Not a food favorite, it's a chocolate favorite, which is the Cadbury's Crispello. It's a beautiful amalgamation of chocolate, crunchy bits, a little bit of wafer. Amazing. Just amazing. If you guys have not tried this, please try it out. It is so good. Just have only one chocolate favorite, food favorite, which is the Dairy Milk Crispello. Really nice, really yummy. Coming to my current favorite song right now is a song that my friend literally forced me to hear. Krishna, if you're watching, you know it is It Just Me by Sasha Sloan. Such a good song. It just reminds me, or it takes me back to the 2000s. I don't know why. The tune of it, I can't play it right now for you guys because copyright, and I don't want that. It just gives me a really nice feeling. You guys should listen to it after watching my video. Sasha Sloan, Is It Just Me? Is it just me, or is anybody feel the way that I feel? I know you guys do not understand the song at all, but go listen to that song, and if you like it, tell me in the comments down below. But that has been my absolute favorite song. I've been listening to it non-stop. I'm the kind of girl who like a song and who will play it for 8 hours straight. Just try to take the song in as much as I can. So yeah, Sasha Sloan, Is It Just Me has been my absolute favorite right now. Last but not the least, my favorite TV show. I think I was living under a rock because I had still not watched it. Thanks to Sherazad Shroff, Sherry Shroff. I'm sure you guys know her, she's such a famous YouTuber. She started this club called K-Drama Club, and I saw the video and she listed down 10 K-dramas that you should start watching. I have never watched K-drama, so I thought, why not start watching a K-drama? Because I've finished everything that is there to watch. I wanted to start something new, something that is full of drama and emotions. So I started watching Crash Landing on You. Let's take a moment, please, for Crash Landing on You. Oh my god, the series is such a beautiful series. Thank you, Sherazad Shroff, for suggesting that in your 10 K-dramas to start watching if you're new to K-dramas. But that series is so good. I think I've been crying in every episode. From the second episode, I've been crying. Just beautiful. The story is very beautiful. The chemistry is so beautiful. Not a single dull moment. It's not about the love story. There's so much more to it. There's so much more adding fuel to the story. It's a beautiful one. And once I'm done with Crash Landing on You, I'm going to watch Descendants of the Sun. Some of my friends who love watching K-dramas have suggested that to me. But yeah, I've been loving Crash Landing on You. And Hyun Bin, if I'm not pronouncing his name wrong, he is so dreamy. He's so dreamy. He's so good looking. He loves so well. I don't know if that makes sense. But he loves so well. He loves her so well. I'm literally talking crap, but then Hyun Bin has my heart. And if you guys watch Crash Landing on You, Hyun Bin's gonna steal your heart. But yeah, that is my absolute favorite show right now. I have 5 episodes to go, and I'm watching it itna dheere dheere because I don't want it to get over. But yeah, it's a beautiful show, and it's been my absolute favorite right now. And that brings us to the end of the video. I absolutely forgot how much I loved filming current favorites video. So glad I did it today, and now I'm gonna bring it back. I'm gonna do it every month, and I'm gonna share what I like with you guys. But yeah, I really hope you guys like this video. If you like the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Follow me on my socials. I'm super active there, and I'm gonna catch you really soon in my next video. Until then, bye. Watch Crash Landing on You.